Hello viewers, we are back with another video. Hope you are doing great and welcome back to our channel Techno Qasim. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about what forex trading is and how you can trade it using CDFs on platforms like Bitget. So guys, if you are a beginner and want to understand how currencies are traded and how people make decisions in this market, so guys you have to watch our video till end. So guys, before the video, this video is only made for educational purpose. We are not the financial advisor, so always do your own research first and then invest. Now guys, we have to move forward to the projects and begins our review. So guys, we are on the project. So guys, first of all we will discuss what forex is. Forex is known as foreign exchange market, is the largest financial market in the world with $7 trillion added daily, traded daily. So guys, in a simple term, forex where user can buy currencies and sell to another's. That is a simple guys step. You can exchange like euro to USD and USD to JPY, different kind of currencies you can trade it where is. For example, if you wanted to exchange like euro to USDT, like 1.08 dollar means it 1 euro, and guys 1.08 dollars is the total worth. So guys, especially you are predicting whether one currency will go up or down compared to another. So that is the simple steps. Now guys, we will discuss what CDF trading. So now let's talk about guys CDF. CDF stand for contract for differences. This means you don't actually own the currency. Instead you are trading based on guys price movement, or platforms like Bitget. You can go long buy if you think price will go up, or go short. That is simple step. Price will go down. That is the guys thing. So guys, that is called buy. Traditional trading, you can allow traders to profit both rising and falling in the market. So that is the simple steps. Now guys, we will do the basic concept. Pips and basic. Okay. Now guys, first of all, what is pips? Pip is the smallest price movement in the forex. Most pairs like 0.0001 around that, and if the price moves from 1.0585 to 1.8086, that is a 10 pips around guys spared. Now guys, what is separate? We will talk about what separate is. You can see here. So guys, separate is the difference between the buying price and the selling. That is basically the trading cost. Lower separate is equal to better for traders. So guys, for us market, you can check out the different kind of sessions as well, where 24 hours a day, 5 days or a week. There are 3 main sessions: Asian sessions, European sessions, and US sessions. So that is the guys sessions are be provided. So the most active time is when London and New York overlap, where most big moves happens. That is the thing guys. What moves in a forex market, we will discuss that also. You can check out the interstate decisions, you can check out the economics news, you can check out the global events, geopolitical news that is affecting the overall moves, and market becomes guys highly violated. And you can check out if the news are guys big. You can check out separate news can increase, prices can move very fast. So guys, that is the thing also. How you can start trading on a Bitget CDFs? That is a simple steps. First of all guys, create your account and verify your account. You can simply deposit funds, usually USDT. That is the thing. Choose a currency pair, place your trade, buy or sell. You can take also stop loss, and guys take profit for risk management. Guys, Bitget allows you to trade forex without owning actual currencies. Everything is done through CDF. So guys, risk and financial thought is also be there. Forex trading can be profitable, but it also comes with high risk, especially when you using leverage. So start with small amount, manage your risk as well guys, and trade with money you can't afford trade. Never trade money you can't afford to lose. So guys, that is the thing. You can check out different kind of pairs as well that I told you around that, like Australian dollar. You can check out the Canadian, Australian to Swiss, Australian to Japanese, and different kind of guys pairs are available too. That is the guys simple thing we have discussed and all around the things. So guys, if you wanted to do guys on a Bitget, I told you simply create the account. You can do the simply trading on a Bitget. So that is the guys news from this video. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. In the last part, guys, the trading is highly violated. Prices can be changed very fast. So guys, do your research first before doing any kind of trade. So guys, that is the video. Hope you enjoy it. Let's meet in the next video, guys. Goodbye.